Let's talk about something that no one really prepares you for. What happens when the house that's been full of love, laughter, and memories starts to feel a little too much? Too many stairs, too much to clean, too many rooms that don't get used but still need attention. If that sounds like you or your parents, you're not alone. I work with amazing seniors who are ready to move on from their long-time homes, but the idea of downsizing feels overwhelming, even painful. But here's the truth, it doesn't have to be. Not when you have a plan, not when you have a guide. That's why I created something just for you, the Ultimate Luxury Downsizing Guide. And yes, it's completely free. Inside, I walk you through 7 common mistakes that people make when downsizing and how to avoid them, like waiting too long after a health scare or a life change, thinking it's all about loss, when really it's about freedom, believing you have to declutter everything before reaching out. You don't. Working with agents who don't really understand how to market luxury properties, trying to navigate everything alone. You don't have to. I coordinate everything for my clients, from estate organizers and trusted vendors to staging, selling, and finding that perfect next home. One level, less maintenance, more peace. Whether it's closer to the grandkids or to the lake. And yes, your memories can still be honored. We'll make space for those too. This isn't just about real estate. It's about right-sizing your life so that it fits into this beautiful chapter. And I'd be honored to help you or your loved one take that first step. So go ahead and download the Ultimate Luxury Downsizing Guide below. No pressure, just clarity, support, and a roadmap made just for you. Because you deserve more freedom, less stress, and a home that finally fits your life again. I'm here when you're ready.